Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for listening to Fostering America, a conservative podcast featuring nothing but the best that is our great nation, America. Just a reminder, you can follow me on Twitter by searching Chris Foster SD, that's S as in South, D as in Dakota, and clicking on follow. Well, it's September now, and after a long summer month for the Democrats, they can now return to Washington in the hopes of passing a hideous health care bill that will all but ruin the country. Hey, I have an idea. Before Washington shoves this thing down our collective throat, let's tell them what we really want. How about health care insurance reform? The Democrats say the opponents of their bill want everything to stay as it is. That could not be further from the truth. The truth is that we want change too. Just not the change that they're trying to force on us. So I would like to offer some alternative ideas. The Democrat plan wants to offer a public option to compete with the private alternatives. Instead of that idea, how about we increase competition amongst the existing companies by letting them sell insurance across state lines? How about we let them sell the kind of insurance packages that people will buy instead of forcing them to cover everything under the sun, including breast implants and other elective surgeries? If government would get out of the way and let the private companies compete, the costs will start to go down. Want another cost-reducing move? How about tort reform? Tort law as it exists allows eye-poppingly high rewards to citizens who sue their doctors. Insurance companies monetize that risk by charging the doctors more for their insurance, so the cost goes up. If we can reform tort law so that the doctors have a little more financial protection, malpractice insurance will be less expensive, and in turn your costs will go down. Here's another suggestion. Healthcare savings accounts. These accounts are really a good idea. For those that have them, part of your income is automatically placed in the HSA. If you have to go to the doctor, you can draw from your account to pay for it. At the end of the year, if you haven't needed to go to the doctor much and have money left in your account, it's yours, tax-free. What a brilliant idea. It's flexible, private, and it encourages people to shop around for the most affordable health care. If you think I'm done, well, you'd be wrong. Here's another one. Create a special independent office to investigate and root out all the Medicare and Medicaid fraud. It is estimated that the American people are being bilked for $40 billion, that's billion with a B, dollars in Medicare and Medicaid fraud every year. Now, if we want to cut costs, how about starting there? Here's the deal, folks. If the Congress today announced that they were scrapping this monstrous health care bill the Democrats want to pass, and announced that they were instead championing a bill that would do all of the things that I have mentioned, I think they would see a whole different picture of America. I think their offices would be a little quieter. I think their town hall meetings would be a little less contentious. And I think the only ones who would be really upset would be the trial lawyers and people committing fraud through the government-sponsored health care programs. I have a final thought for those Republicans who might be tempted to work out some sort of compromise bill with the Democrats. Do not forget what the words of John Adams, who said, "In politics, the middle way is none at all." That's all I have time for. I'd like to thank everyone at steadfastpatriot.com. Now, for all of us here at the studio, good day, and God bless the United States of America.